Hi there, I'm Matt from Hitachi High-Tech, and I'm here with our precious metal agent, Freeform Fabrication, to personally deliver and install a brand new XMET-8000 Smart Precious Metal Analyzer. Let's get going. Okay, first thing in the box is just a little box of accessories. Not much in there apart from some European plug adapters and a shoulder strap for the case. The next thing is your black folder. This has got all your CE certificates, your warranty activation form, and the details about the production of the unit itself. But let's get straight to the important stuff, the actual analyzer itself. So in the case, everything is stored together. You have the analyzer itself, the battery, the charger for the battery. Now these are the two components that make up the travel stand, which we're going to come to later, and then you have two test pieces that you can use just to make sure that your analyzer is working correctly. The first thing we're going to get out is the analyzer itself. All wrapped up and shiny and new. To do the really satisfying part. And the first thing you're going to need to do is put the battery in. So the battery is situated here on the case. It goes in the handle. The battery actually only goes in one way. If you put the battery in the wrong way, the lid won't close. You just need to make sure that the pins are aligned correctly. Once you've done that, you can turn the unit on. So the on button is situated here in the middle, clearly labelled. Just hold a couple of seconds and the lights will come on, and that will start the startup procedure. It takes about 20 seconds to start up, so while it's doing that, I'll introduce you to the other things in the case. Firstly, we have the charger for the unit, which is self-explanatory, and then we have the three components which make up our travel stand. So you have the stand itself, the lead-lined safety lid, and the small sample tray here. So this enables you to set up the unit and use the handheld device as if it's a mini benchtop unit. So it's ready to use straight out the box, so it's time for us to measure some jewellery items if you stay tuned for our next video. If you've enjoyed this video and you found it useful, please remember to like and subscribe Freeform Fabrications.